Yeah, Gucci gang. Oh, yeah, big head on the Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
What's up, everybody? It's my guy here, and I'm back with another video. So today we're going to be showing you how to make slime / my slime collection. So it's not that big. It's only like I'm making 2 more, so there's only like making 3 more. So I only have 2 right now. So yeah, I'm going to set you guys up over here. I'm just gonna wait. But without further ado, let's just get right into this video. Okay, so you won't be able to see my face, but you're gonna need a bowl. Let's put that right there. No, it's really big. Alright, and sorry about the noise. And you're gonna need a spoon. Glue. I'm using glitter glue because it's the only glue I can find. And Tide. It's backwards, but you know, you get the gist. So what I like to do is this. I like to take the cup and pour some detergent in it, and I'll set it right there. So yeah, let's get right into. Oh yeah, I already said that. But yeah, I have 3 containers. This container I put slime in here. This slime I have, which I'll show you all my slimes at the end of the video. Right here. This one's not really a container. It like keeps beads and stuff in it. But anyway, let's make the slime because that's what the video is about, right? And then I got this container and this container. Right. I'll open this up for you. Okay, so I got the glue bottle open. So the first slime I'm going to make out of this container. And yeah, Tide, you don't really get to choose your color, so I have no idea what color it's gonna be. Okay. Let's do that. And now I'm going to put this in it. Tide in it. Okay, now I'm gonna pour some Tide in there. Sorry about that, you guys. You don't want to pour too much and you don't want to pour too little because then it'll be really sticky. So yeah, now we got this so far. Now we're about to just make it. So you guys won't be able to see it, so I'll try my best. Can you see it? Then if it's not done yet, you gotta knead it. So I'm gonna go ahead and make my slimes, but this is how I make my slime. So yeah, I'll be back when the slime's done. Okay, so this is the aftermath of my slime connection. So yeah. So this is the same. This is for my friend. I made this for her.
Oh, it's right.
And then this is the same. And this is the same as this one. So yeah. And then I also have a rubber band slime. And I also have a just purple slime. I use clear glue, and then I use blue and red to make purple. So yeah. This made like a violet color. So let's just go ahead and play with them. Okay, so now we're gonna open. Oh my god. Oh, by the way, I'm sorry for not posting yesterday. I was like so busy and I didn't have time to really post. I forgot to tell you that this slime is very sticky. So I can't take it out of the container, but I will show you guys. But yeah, this is this one. Okay, now I'm gonna show you some other slime. Okay, not this one. This is my new slime I just made. So super stretchy. Please do, Clea. You're gonna make me scared. Well,
and
then,
she went in there.
okay, so this is Clea's little slime.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, and then this is mine.
Cole's on the part that takes that fight off now.
It's not a crunchy slime, but my rubber band one is, so yeah. Let's get on with the rubber band one. Oh man, I figured that was gonna happen. But yeah, again guys, I'm so sorry for not posting yesterday. Family business, so yeah. This slime needs to go in the trash. It smells really bad. Yeah, and I don't even make this crunchy sound, so. Oh my god. It smells like rubber bands, so that's why it's like so gross. So yeah. I don't like this slime at all, so I'm gonna make this. Yeah, you're making a mess. But that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.